Hey everyone! Uh, in this video, I'll show you how to create and host your own Discord bot from beginner to advanced. Yeah, if you've ever wanted full control over your server with custom features, building your own bot is the best way to do it. And honestly, it's easier than it looks once you follow the right steps. So first, go to the Discord developer portal and create a new application. Then head to the bot section and click Add Bot. Uh, Once it's created, copy the bot token, but keep it private because it gives full access to your bot. Next, choose a programming language like JavaScript with Node.js or Python. Yeah, install the required libraries like Discord.js or Discord.py and set up a simple bot file to log in using your token. After that, write basic commands. For example, you can create a ping command or welcome message to test if your bot is working correctly. This helps you understand how events and commands function. Also, invite your bot to your server using the OAuth link. Yeah, make sure to give only the permissions it actually needs to keep things secure and clean. And yeah, now comes hosting. So, you can run your bot on your computer, but for 24/7 uptime, use services like VPS hosting or platforms like Replit or Railway. Finally, keep improving your bot by adding moderation, automation, or fun features. Most of the time, a custom bot gives you complete control and flexibility. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.